When was the last time that you came across these words in arithmetic and geometric sequences questions? The words three successive terms either in geometric or arithmetic sequence. In this video, this is what we are going to see. How to tackle the problems with the words successive terms in sequences and series chapter. And I'm going to show one problem and tell you how to manipulate the three successive terms either in geometric or arithmetic sequence. So let's go into the question once again. The question is, if A, B, C are three successive terms of a geometric sequence and B, A, C, the order is changed, B and A and C are successive terms of an arithmetic sequence, and if A plus B plus C is 45, you are supposed to find the values of A and B and C. So let's go into the solution now. So the word three successive terms of a geometric sequence. Usually in geometric sequences, we take this terms as U1, U1R and U1R square, where U1 is the first term and R is the common ratio. But if you take it like that, this question is not going to end at all. So there is a trick in taking the three successive terms when you have them in geometric sequence. So the trick is you take the middle term as x, the previous term as x over r. R is the common ratio. So you will divide the x by r, you get the previous term. The next term to x is x multiplied by r. Therefore, x over r, x and xr should be the three successive terms of a geometric sequence. So if you take it this way, the problem is going to be very simple to solve. Let's go to the arithmetic sequence part. We have B, A, C as successive terms of arithmetic sequence. So whenever you have three successive terms of arithmetic sequence, again take the middle term as x, and the previous term will be x minus the common difference d. The next term will be x plus the common difference d. So you will have x minus d, x and x plus d as the three successive terms of the arithmetic sequence. And that's all. If you could take these three successive terms like this for geometric and arithmetic, then the problem is going to be very simple. So let's solve the problem now. Now that A and B and C are in geometric sequence, the middle term is B, therefore A should be B over R, and the third term is C, therefore you are multiplying the ratio with B, therefore C is equal to BR. So you understood this. The three successive terms in geometric sequence is now B over R, B and BR. So remember this. Let's go to the next part where it is arithmetic sequence. The middle term is A. The previous term to A will be A minus D. The next term to A will be A plus D. Therefore, BAC is A minus D, A and A plus D. Now the extra information given for us is A plus B plus C is 45. Using this, we have to solve the equation. So if you substitute B and C for A minus D and A plus D, you can see that the equation simplifies to A is equal to 15, and you already got one of the three terms, right? A is 15. Keep it in mind and go further. We have A is B over R and C is BR from the first part of the question, geometric sequence part. And using this, we can say B is equal to 15R and C is equal to 15R square. I think you understood this. Substituting in A as 15 and B over R is equal to 15. Therefore, B is 15R and therefore C is 15R square. B times R, 15R times R, 15R square. I hope you understood this. The next part is, again we will go back to the given information. A plus B plus C is 45. Instead of the arithmetic sequence terms, we will now substitute the values for B as 15R and 15R square for C, and you make a quadratic equation in R. Solve this, simplify this, and you will get R is equal to 1 and R equal to negative 2. Now tell me, can R be equal to 1 for geometric sequence? Of course not, because if R is equal to 1, there is no sequence, right? There is no progression. So it is not a sequence when R is equal to 1. Therefore, R is equal to negative 2 is the only answer we have. We are going back to the information that we have A is 15 and B is 15R and C is 15R square. Now we have the value for R as negative 2. So substitute that and you will get B as negative 30 and C as 60, and we have found A as 15, B negative 30, C 60. And it's all done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.